We'll guide you through how to convert video to audio on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this whether your video is currently in your photos or whether it's currently in your files. What you need to do is you need to go and find the Shortcuts app. By default, that's going to be in the Utilities folder. Alternatively, you can go and drag down and you can go and search for Shortcuts. Then you want to go and press Library in the bottom left and press the plus in the top right. You then want to go and press Search. Go and type in encode like so and select encode media. Now you want to press the I in the middle at the bottom, switch on show in share sheet like so and press the tick. Where it says media, you want to go and tap there and press shortcut input and press the arrow to the right of it and switch on audio only. Now you can go and choose the format. I want to go and use M4A. Then you can press search at the bottom and you want to go and type in save file and you can go and tap there. And then it says save encoded media. You can press the arrow to the right and make sure ask where to save is switched on. You can then press the arrow at the top and you can go and name this what you want. Press the tick in the bottom right and that's it. Now you want to go and locate the video and you need to go and press the share button in the bottom left. Scroll down and you can then find what you made. For me, it was video to audio. Go and tap on it. Files will open up. Choose where you want to go and save it and press open in the top right. Open your files and you can then find it.